Hello and welcome to the Duckback training series. I'm Adam Bell and today we'll be covering the opacities of exterior stain. This is probably one of the most underutilized tools but important tools we have. This is the opacity chart, and my rule of thumb is just keep in mind the lighter in color I go, the more time and effort I have to put into keeping it looking that way. The darker on opacity I go to opaque, the less time and effort I have to put in to keep it looking that way. And there's always an ongoing maintenance with any exterior structure. So when you're working with a customer or selling in front of the product, please refer to the opacity chart. It's the easiest way to explain what we're doing when we're going from a clear up to a completely opaque product. Thank you for spending the time with me today. As always, remember Duckback Exterior Stain and Sealer, easy to use and easy to love.